today we're doing a solo review because my partner is a healthcare hero who works for the man on the weekends. Hey, what up, guys? Today we went to Omar and the Marvelous Coffee Bird down in Gardenvale. This was a cafe that was recommended to me by a few people, so I thought I'd check it out. Straight off the bat, vibes, immaculate. You walk in there, it's got a rude, let's not fuck that word up again. It's got a rude, it's pissing down rain, vibes are high. The cafe in general has a brutalism art style, which is absolutely beautiful. Everything, they had the rugged exposed brick everywhere, will look to be chipboard ceilings, just bringing together an overall sort of, concrete jungle without the concrete jungle vibes, like a brick jungle. The vibes in there were immaculate, the servers immaculate, the food on display looked absolutely beautiful. So I ordered a hazelnut chocolate chip cookie, absolutely fucking beautiful. I actually hate cookies, I'm not really a cookie person. The consistency of cookies kind of like, ekes me out a little bit. Overall, it was actually delicious. Tastes straight like fucking eating Nutella with a spoon. We all know those vibes. And I ordered a 3-shot long black. The guys there hooked me up with a 4-shot because why the fuck not? And I'm fucking here for it, man. Absolute vibes. Staff were amazing. Facility was beautiful. I will 100% be coming here again. Coffee is strong with a gritty taste. It actually feels quite nice going down the gullet. It's smooth, bitter, and gritty. So this is not one of those blends if you're somebody that doesn't particularly like an earthy kind of tone coming from their coffee. Vibes 10, coffee. It's not the best so far. It's pretty decent. I'll give it an 8. Cookie, I'll give the cookie a 7. Hell will probably freeze over the day I give a cookie a 10, but I'm being honest here. Anyway, guys, that's it for Melbourne's Best Coffee Vlog 4. Until the next one. Tune in for next time where we discuss pussy. What is it? I don't know. My friends tell me I have a beautiful one.